Out. Labiti. Out of bounds. Same ball position. Personal foul, first team foul. Sipi to Pepito. Pepito to Suarez. 14 seconds to shoot. Pepito for 3. 3 points. Mr. Pepito.
Hi, babe. Hi.
14 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Bula sa NSA Saints. Pepito for 3. 3 points.
Pasan ko ba? Saka city ba?
One is Mr. Sipi. Sipi, bakante. It's a 2 points. Yamot, palihog ko insert sa imong jersey. Salamat. Raviti pass to 3 points. Suarez. Mr. Sipi for 3. No good. Nakuha ni 10 seconds to shoot. Pepito for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Sipi. 14 seconds to shoot. Suarez. 10. 3 points by Mr. Suarez. Yama. 14 seconds to shoot. Cavite. 10. No good. Rebound by Pepito. To Acosta. Pass to Pepito. To Acosta. To Sipi. No good. Rebound ni Mr. Sipi. Suarez for 3. No good. It's a 2 points by Mr. Sipi. Yamon. Giving the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Remaining time, 4 minutes. 14. It's a 2 points by number 24. Tibo. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Suarez to Pepito. 14 seconds to shoot. Suarez for 3. No good. Rebound in Mr. Sipi. Foul. Counted. Yamot. First personal foul. Second team foul. Reserve timeout left. Abon. 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound ni Mr. Suarez. Suarez nilusot. Bula sa time out left. Time out, GCB. Score. 15-5. Labaw ang NHA Saints.
I would like to thank you.
Time for the timeout. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Bula sa Gold City Village. Arong. 14 seconds to shoot. Cebu for 3. Out of bounds. Bola sa NHA Saints. Remaining time, 3 minutes. Pipito to Suarez, to Pumok, to Sipi, to Acoustic. 14. Yamot. Second personal foul, third team foul. Lavite. First personal foul, third team foul. Dito. Foul. Foul rep. Foul rep.
I know. No, baby.
Cebu. Second personal foul. Warning for team penalty.
Bola daw ate. Nasa tunga.
That's no good. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Arong.
Sab.
Serve sub. Reserve sub with Acosta. Suarez. To Sipi. No good na rebound ni Sipi. 14 seconds. Nakuha ni Dimaucor. Dimaucor to Yamot. To Cebu. Pass to Arong. 14 seconds to shoot. 10. Jump ball.
Ato.
Substitution rep. Jola to Suarez. Main time, last 2 minutes for the first quarter. Acosta for 3. No good. Out of bounds.
Wala mong god.
Bola
Kamu
sa
mananangatawa.
Warning for technical, Mr. Yamot, for not inserting the jersey.
First pa uy. Time out mong gusto. Na ate.
14 seconds to shoot. It's a 2 points by Mr. Arong. Remaining time, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Suarez nagmamadali. It's a foul. Foul rep. Dimaucor. Substitution rep. Penalty. Dimaucor, first personal foul, penalty. So no good. It's 1 point. Arong. Dimaucor, 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Dimaucor. 3 points, no good. Minaduan din ni Jola. Remaining time, 1 minute and 12 seconds. Suarez to Sipi. Sipi to Suarez, pull up jump. No good. Na-rebound ni Mr. Humok. 14 seconds to shoot. Kuha ni Minjola. Ngita kapasaan. Suarez. 10 seconds to shoot.
Okay.
No good. Na-rebound. Foul. Who's foul rep? 15, Mr. Arong. First personal foul, penalty. Basket count. Remaining time, 56 seconds for the first quarter. Last 50 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Ninjola, first personal foul, first team foul. Arong, pull-up jump. It's a no good. Nakuha ni Ninjola. Ninjola to Suarez. It's a 2-point. Last 33 seconds for the first quarter. Arong. Rebound by Humo. 25 seconds. Suarez to Minjola. Minjola for 3. No good. Remaining time, 16 seconds. Cavite. 10 seconds to shoot. Remaining. Suarez. No good. 3.
Isa.
Time for the first quarter. Score